What's up, y'all? So, today I'm going to, help teach, hopefully, how to properly install the radiator fan mounting kits, transmission cooler mounting kit, electric radiator fan mounting kit, radiator fan zip ties, whatever you want to call it. It's these things. So these right here, they never come with instructions, and they just pretty much, let you hopefully figure it out on your own. But I am going to show you the best way that I have found to do it. There is a ton of ways that they say to do it. Some say to put this on the padding up against the radiator and kind of push down. I don't like that because I feel like this is going to eventually rub through this and then start damaging your radiator. So I'm going to show you the way that I have figured out how to do from all of my research that I have had to do today. So first, let me get the phone set up. So the way that I recommend doing it is going to be taking your little foam pads and just sliding it down sticky side up against the plastic. So we're just gonna put that through there and then hopefully not tear it as we're working our way down. Then once you have that, you are going to go to whether it be a fan or a mounting kit. And what I like to do is I like to push it through this side. Make sure that whenever you're pushing it through, if you come into any resistance, just go ahead and pull it back and try a different way. Because I am putting this through the AC cooler, it's got a lot more channels that are in the way and they're offset. So you kind of have to fish it through. There we go. You'll get that through and mark it on the other side with a black Sharpie. Boop. You're going to mark the fins where you want to put it through. It doesn't work very well, so you might want to just push those fins to the side a little bit. Then pull it out and go through the back. There we go. So once you have that through, you're going to take the other pad and go sticky side against what is going to be touching the radiator, so that way you have, a nice little cushion. And then just kind of fish it through. There we go. See? So we have the pad on the back of this up against the radiator to give it some cushion. Then pull it through. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then I put the spring on this side, and you're gonna put this zip tie section, whatever you want to call it, on there. There's an indented side and then a pushed out side, whatever. You're gonna want to put the indented side up against the spring. So make sure it's snug on there. You don't want, a lot of slack. You want that spring to kind of be pushing pretty good. And then just take wire cutters. Make sure there's a few teeth left on it, so that way if it does slip a tooth or two, you have the room to do that. And that's the best way that I have found to do it. I have had to do a lot of research on this because nobody knows. It's literally up to the discretion of the person putting it together, how you want to put it together. But I feel like that is the safest and best way to put that on there. So if you liked it, make sure like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever, and hopefully your project turns out great. Y'all have a great day now. Bye bye.